can help you, baby.
Hello again. These are pages 42 and 43 in the Let's Go 4 workbook. And on the last pages, we talked about things we can do outside or outdoors. And so these are things that we do indoors. And we're just learning some new past tense verbs. And these verbs and verb phrases were shown in the student book like this.
Downloaded pictures. Practiced the violin. Watched a baseball game. Listened to music. Played a board game. Visited my grandparents.
Okay, so for part A, we have to write in the correct verb, the correct action, and then we have to number the picture. All right, and all of these verbs ended with ed, and some of them made a T sound, some of them made an ed sound, and some of them just made a D sound. So let's go through. Number one, a baseball game. That should probably be watched. And in watched, the ed makes a T sound. So let's write watched. Watched a baseball game. Number one, these guys. Number one. Number two, to music. Visited, listened. And in listened, the ed makes a D sound. Listened to music. Number three, their grandparents. Visited. And in visited, the ed makes an ed sound. Visited their grandparents. Number four, pictures. Downloaded. And in downloaded, it makes an ed sound again. Downloaded pictures. Number five, the violin. Practiced. And in practiced, that has a T sound. So practiced the violin. Number six, a board game. Played. And in played, we got a D sound. So played a board game. Now I only wrote number one in here, so I have to write the other numbers too. Listened to music is right here. She's using her speaker and her phone, so that's 2. Visited their grandparents is here, so that's 3. Downloaded pictures is here, so that's 4. Practiced the violin is here, so that's 5. And played a board game is here, that's 6. And part A is all done. And this is part B. It says complete the sentences. So we have a picture and we just need to write the first part of the sentence here. In your student books, I guess it looked like this. Okay, and let's answer it. There are 2 kids, so we say they on Sunday. Well, this is a board game and the action we use is play. Past tense, played. So they played a board game. They played a board game on Sunday. Next, one boy, so we can say he. He's got his radio on and there's music coming out. So I think he listened. He listened to music. He listened to music on Monday. And part B is all done. Okay, and this is part C. And for part C, we have to write the questions and the answers. In the books, the question pattern and answer look like this. Here it's going to be a little bit different because we have to write the question and then on the end, we're going to write the time. And for each time, we're talking about a day of the week. So we use on Thursday, or on Saturday, or on Wednesday, or on Sunday. Let's start with number 1. What did they do on Wednesday? Trace Wednesday. On Wednesday. Question mark. They watched. Let's see what they watched. They're here. Oh, they watched a baseball game. baseball game. Okay, number 2. What did she do? Find her. She's here. On Saturday. On Saturday. She, and it looks like she's using the computer to get pictures. So downloaded pictures. She downloaded pictures. Number 3, 2 people. So we use they. They're over here. And it's on Sunday. So what did they do? On Sunday. They they visited their grandparents. So they visited, they went to see their grandparents. Okay, last one is this boy right here. So what did he do on Thursday? What did he do on Thursday? He practiced the violin. Okay, he practiced the violin. The violin. Great. Part C is all done. And part D just asks about you. It says, what about you? Right. Okay, and it's going to ask us about 2 days, and this is in the past tense. So whatever you write in here, make sure that your action word or your verb is in the past tense. Okay, I'm going to write about me, but you should write about you. What did you do on Tuesday? Well, that was a work day, so I did homework. I did homework. I checked books, I made new stuff for the next class, and I got ready. I did my teacher homework. Number 2, what did you do on Friday? Well, Saturday's not a work day, so we went out. I went to a restaurant. And ate meat. And done. Great job, everybody.